Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming prerequisites. VS Code installed, the language extension you need, and Git if you plan to track changes. Once done, prepare your dataset, clean file names, and choose a format like CSV, JSON, or Parquet so parsing is reliable. Then open your project workspace in VS Code and add the dataset folder directly to the Explorer. This makes files addressable by relative paths. Do this now so subsequent steps focus on import and tooling rather than setup. Next, import and instrument your dataset inside VS Code. Use the command palette to open files or add the folder to your workspace so editor and extensions can access them. Then choose the right tooling: Python with pandas for quick transforms, RData, Table for statistical work, or SQL extensions for query-heavy datasets. Each approach optimizes speed versus convenience. Once chosen, configure launch. JSON or tasks. JSON for reproducible runs, or open a notebook for interactive checks. This speeds iteration and keeps provenance clear. To finish, validate that your data loads correctly. Read a small sample, 1000 rows, to confirm parsing, data types, and encoding. Save reproducible scripts, commit code, but keep large files out of Git using. Git ignore and consider symbolic links for shared datasets. If things go wrong, slow loads, or crashes, try one key troubleshooting step. Sample the data and rerun, then move to indexed or columnar formats like Parquet, or increase memory limits. These changes often resolve performance.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.